First of all, this is what happened when the gold ETF came out in the early 2000s. You can see how this chart of gold price basically went parabolic, and this is what will happen with Bitcoin as well when the ETF comes out. Recently, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, basically predicted that Bitcoin ETF will come out on January 2024, basically in like 12 days from this video. And here's the actual interview.
I think crypto likes it. We're going to get this ETF before January 10th. That's kind of the drop dead date that Gensler has before he gets in trouble with Grayscale and the lawsuit.
So you just saw Mike Novogratz predicted Bitcoin ETF in before the January 10th, before the Gary Gensler gets in some legal trouble. And this means that Bitcoin will probably have the same fate as the gold when the gold ETF came out. But even if the price of Bitcoin tanks because many people sell the news in the crypto, that means that we will still have to wait for at least 3 months before the Bitcoin halving, but we will 100% experience another bull run after the Bitcoin halving happens in 100 days. That's basically around 3 months from today, because that's what always happens after the Bitcoin halving, that Bitcoin goes gradually, starts going up. And even before the halving, the Bitcoin is already kinda going towards new all-time highs, which means that I will definitely not sell the news, because it doesn't matter. I can wait like 10 months or 9 months before the Bitcoin enters a new all-time high. And smartest investors always get in before the public and the retail gets in. And the same is with the crypto. You have to research the best projects before we enter the bull run and the euphoria, which is right now. And yeah, hopefully the Bitcoin ETF actually comes out in January 2024. So all the mainstream media starts talking about Bitcoin again and everyone gets bullish again and we experience another bull run.